Marlena Burton. Hopefully you're having a happy, wonderful, joyful day. So happy February, guys. Let's focus on fun. Let's focus on faith. Let's focus on full-time freedom. So if you're open to being full-time free, just let me know. It's super simple. You can connect with me at 618-223-6006. So 3 years ago, I just went back and found the video, and I realized that I didn't have the question answered, is this safe for kids? And guys, if you don't do that, your video basically is going nowhere. So anyway, 3 years ago, I was talking about manifesting. Guys, all manifesting really is that you are aware that your thoughts, feelings, your state of being are creating your experience, okay? You don't have to give up your life doing affirmations, scripting, all that kind of stuff. There's nothing wrong with that, but you don't have to actually put in extra time to do those things to manifest. So 3 years ago, I did a video. I said, let's just manifest a fortune cookie, okay? I did. I still manifest them, but wanted to say, hey, for February. So anyway, a young lady commented on one of my videos, and she says she thinks that she has blocks. Guys, there are no conditions, okay? Only the conditions that you've set up that might be a barrier. So if you just decide anything can literally show up at any time without your help, then you'll know that like a flood of goodness can just show up without you having to micromanage it. So if you'll just give your attention to a fortune cookie, right? Just have the attitude, I don't give a flip if a fortune cookie shows up or not. You got to detach from it, okay? We've put things up on a pedestal, but guys, the power of God in us is greater than anything. So nothing is really a big deal, right? Unless you say it's a big deal. So just gently give your attention to a fortune cookie. Now here's the thing. Most people are not going to be aware when a fortune cookie shows up. So if you'll be aware when a fortune cookie shows up, just come back and comment, hey, I just saw a fortune cookie, I manifested a fortune cookie. Everything under the sun is that simple. So the young lady that feels like she has a block, she probably wouldn't have a block to manifest in a fortune cookie, right? So I would recommend that she does a fortune cookie. Licorice was my first thing. It showed up in 2 weeks without me doing anything. I just wrote it down. I let it be, okay? And it showed up, so it's really that simple. I did the manifestation video on unexpected money showing up. Guys, unexpected money still showing up. It's going to keep showing up and keep showing up and keep showing up because that's my mindset. And our mind obeys whatever we say. So it's that simple. So you're going to see a fortune cookie, you know. You get to write your own fortune and just have some fun, have some faith. I appreciate you. Let's connect at marlenaburton.com.